Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Headspace account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the email verification process and access meditation and mindfulness content. Step 1. Open the Headspace app on your smartphone or visit headspace.com on your web browser. Step 2. Tap on Login or Sign In and enter the email address and password you used to create your Headspace account. Step 3. After logging in, check for any notification banners or prompts indicating that you need to verify your email address. Step 4. If you're using the mobile app, tap on your profile icon in the top left or top right corner to access account settings. Step 5. On the website, click on your profile picture or name in the top right corner and select Account Settings. Step 6. Navigate to the email or account information section to check your verification status. Step 7. If your email is not verified, you'll see an option to resend verification email. Click or tap this button. Step 8. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Headspace with a subject line like, "Please verify your email address," or "Confirm your Headspace account." Step 9. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will open a browser window and automatically verify your email address with Headspace. Step 10. Return to the Headspace app or website and refresh the page or restart the app. You should now see that your email is verified. Step 11. With a verified account, you can access all Headspace features, sync your meditation progress across devices, and receive personalized content recommendations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel